I've always found women very intelligent, very like having agency, deciding what they want to do, and that's what is projected on the screen. I'm surprised that they are coming through as any modern portrayal. No, it's really crazy. It's unbelievable that 13 years later, Rockstar is still finding so much love. It is also finding so much traction in the film industry.
So Imtiaz, we just ended your session at IFFI right now on women's safety. Now, so you created characters like Aditi, Veronica, Meera, Geet actually. So what was the idea behind each of these characters? Like, what made you say that, oh, this is what is each character of mine will say?
See, honestly, when I was writing these films and making these movies, I wasn't thinking about equality of women. I was just thinking about women as they are. And as I've seen them in my life, and I've tried to portray them like that. I've always found women very intelligent, very like having agency, deciding what they want to do. And that's what is projected on the screen. I'm surprised that they are coming through as any modern portrayal. I think all portrayal of women should be like that. And of course, I feel that women are obviously different by gender, and they are also different because I feel they are more beautiful, and that's how I have portrayed them. Not anything particularly different, honestly.
Okay. Seeing the crowd right now, they all were singing Rockstar songs right now. It was 13th year that the film has released. 11 was when film released. 13 years till now. How do you look at the film which it was released this year again? How do you look back at the film now?
No, it's really crazy. It's unbelievable that 13 years later, Rockstar is still finding so much love. It is also finding so much traction in the film industry and money.
Can I get a photo?
Yeah. Idhar aane do, idhar aane do.
Imtiaz, how does it feel like she's wearing a t-shirt right now?
What's your name?
Sanchita, sir. I'm the biggest
Sanchita.
fan of you. Sir, look at my phone cover.
Wow, what is this?
This is Imtiaz Ali team full on.
Just Imtiaz, show to the camera.
Yes.
Oh, this is so crazy,
Yes,
yaar.
sir, I am
So I can't. It's unbelievable.
Sir, I couldn't attend your masterclass today because I was running late from the travel. I came all the way from Pune.
Don't worry,
I
you'll
was so
get it on the
disheartened. I'm
net.
so happy I met you today, sir.
Thank
Can
you,
I hug
thank
you,
you.
sir?
Sir, please. Sir, please.
Imtiaz, how
Yeah,
does this?
he wants to come in and
Oh
show
shit!
his-
Okay, that's Rockstar. That's Rockstar, guys. That's Rockstar. भाई इधर
आजा आजा तुम भी आजा.
Imtiaz.
Thank you for inspiring, sir.
Thank you. All the best. No,
Arey,
don't
never-
do that. The girls should never touch me.
Sir, Tamasha has changed my life, sir.
Thank you.
you so much, sir.
All the best. Be careful, beta.
Yes.
Be careful.
Imtiaz, how does it feel with so much love right now, Imtiaz?
Yeah, it's really unbelievable. I feel that they're talking about someone else. Honestly, I can't really relate to it in that truest sense. Honestly, like I feel नहीं लगता है मतलब ऐसा लग.
But imagine that girl was saying that Tamasha changed her life. A lot of people are saying that Tamasha has changed her life. So how has
Tamasha is
changed your life?
Tamasha. Yeah, it has changed my life. I feel people started taking me very seriously after that film, and now then I had to work at not being taken so seriously. But yeah, it's wonderful that people feel like this. I feel that I also feel that it is Tamasha that is doing that. I have been a part of it, but Tamasha is like a film is always bigger than the filmmaker. What the film does is not only what the filmmaker tries, but also the rest of the unit and the energies of that time, really. So God bless her, God bless Tamasha and Rockstar and my other films, Laila Majnu as well.
Imagine there's a resurgence of Laila Majnu. It did so well in the second run.
Yeah. And hopefully I will be lucky to involve myself with such stories, and blessings will come. And it's also always the blessings of other people, maybe जो गुनी जन हैं जिनकी मैंने पढ़ी है, या जिन्होंने मुझे इन्फ्लुएंस किया है, या जिन लोगों के साथ मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ, मेरे माँ बाप, परिवार, the neighbors. It's all their blessings that is coming down actually.
And Amar Singh Chamkila as well.
And Amar Singh Chamkila.
How do you look back at now? It's been nearly less than a year now, but
Yeah, it's less than a year.
It's still there in like top 20 of people still watch it.
That's again wonderful, and I feel that as far as Chamkila is concerned, I feel that हमने तो सिर्फ फिल्म बनाई है, उन्होंने तो जिंदगी जी थी. और वो कितनी ड्रामेटिक थी, और उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. फिल्म के 2 घंटे में आप कुछ ही दिखा सकते, सारा कुछ नहीं दिखा सकते. But I'm very very happy that people in Punjab have liked that film, have blessed it. I'm very happy that Punjabis all over the world have also liked it, and also people that have nothing to do with the Punjabi culture have also liked it, you know, because it is such a universal story. It's a story that tells us about duplicity, which is a part of all of us, and all of us should work towards getting rid of it and towards more honesty. And मुझे लगता है कि I am actually obliged to Amar Singh Chamkila and Amarjot Kaur themselves, you know, because I feel that अगर मैं पूछ सकूं तो उनसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि भाई होपफुली मैंने आपकी कहानी ठीक से बताई.
I'm getting goosebumps right now. Next film is it Fahad Fazil? Next film.
There are talks going on, and there are 2 films that I'm trying to work towards. And yes, I would love to work with Fahad. I would love to, see, try to create something around with him. That's what I can say. Yeah.
Thank you, Imtiaz. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.